Okay, so how to put a basic formula using Microsoft Excel. So may example ako dito na, which is the role playing activities. So criteria, that is the content, cooperation, delivery, and overall. Then group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kung ilang group yun. So example for the total, simple lang, please click equal sign in your laptop, equal sign, then please type sum. So may fx dito na sum, you need to double click, then you need to highlight from the score of the student coming from the rubric. So after highlight or dragging, so you need to close, put close parenthesis, then you need to enter. So click enter. So ito total is 13. Example is perfect yung kuha ng mga bata, which is cooperation is 4, delivery is 4, overall is 4. Okay, pag scale yung ginagamit ninyo na rubric, that you are using the analytic rubric. Okay, so for this example, so ngayon 16, paglagay natin doon sa ating grading sheets, hindi naman 16, that is the 100, either i-times natin into 100 points. Okay, so may percentage dito sa kabila, so lagyan natin ng percentage until 100%. So 16, so lagay natin dito again equal sign, click the total score, then you need to click slash or divided by 16, type 16, then you need to put the asterisk, which is times overall total is 100, para automatically is times 100 niya yung score, kung magkano yung score ng bata. You need to click enter. Okay, that's 100 points. Okay, para hindi ka na mag-input ng formula in every groups, so you need to drag na lang. For example, group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5. Example, there are 5 groups. You need to click, then you need to assign your cursor. Pag mag-block na siya, you need to drag down. Long press lang, then drag down. Okay, then after dragging, so ganito na, may formula na yan. Next is pag mag-block din is you need to drag down. Okay, para yung formula is naka-distribute na in every group. Example, yung group 2 is medyo mahina, is yung score nila is 2, 3, 3, 2. Okay, out of 16 in a perfect score, which is 10 lang yung kuha nila, in a percentage, that is 62.5. Next is second group, try natin 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, yung score ng bata is 75. 75% out of 100%, kasi 333 lang yung kuha nila. Example, 4, 4, 4, 3. Okay, that is in 93.75. So kung gusto nyo lang walang point, you need to highlight na lang. It is 1, then you need to click this one, okay, to reduce the decimal. Okay, so meaning 95, 94. Okay, next group, kuha nila is 4, 4, 2, 2. Sample. Okay, this is 75% out of 100. So yun lang, and I hope nakatulong in a basic formula. Thank you.